Wait a minute, wait a minute. How are you going to open that? Who sent it? Where'd you get it from?
From the mail.
But who sent it?
Grandpa, yeah. Okay, so get away. Look, he got a knife. So Stando is going to cut us. Okay? He's going to cut us or poke us in the eye.
He's going to poke us in the eye.
I won't. I'll be good.
Good job.
There.
Right. So,
All right.
This one's two. What does it say?
I don't know. Read it. What does it say? Do you know how to sound it? What does it say?
No. Is it mine?
What does it say? Do you see any words?
Please.
Oh, it says the number 2. So it means 2. And then who?
To me.
No, but look at the letters. Sound the letter. What is that letter? 2.
Neno?
You're right.
right.
Let's see. 2. Yeah, the 2. So if you see the number 2, and then after that is the name of the person. So that
This
one's
one's to Neno.
Tuneno. You're right.
Neno?
So
It's mine?
no, it's Tuneno.
So this one,
Yeah.
we're going to have to put it under the tree.
Oh, that's a good place for it.
Because when he comes to our house tomorrow, we could give him his present, right?
You're right.
Okay, so we're going to put it right there under the tree.
Okay.
Well, we'll tell Marcy. Marcy, put Nano's present under the tree. Look.
Okay.
See?
Okay.
Right there. That's a good idea.
Okay.
Because when he comes, I'm going to tell him. This one is to Briseis.
Let me see. Oh, wow. You're right.
See?
Well, let's put it aside and pick out all the ones for you. So put that one aside. We know that one's for Briseis. So put in a pile right there. Okay, so Briseis pile.
So this one is a stick, so I'm going to put it right there.
It's a what?
It's a stick.
It's a stick. Okay, so you're going to put it right there.
There's no name on me. Look, what does it say? What does it say, Marcy?
After the 2.
What does it say?
2.
2?
Two. Nano? Okay, so this is another present.
Don't help
I'm going to
her.
put it on top of Nano.
Good job.
All right.
She should have recognized it from the last one. Let her figure it out.
This is Nano again. Nano? No.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
Yeah, it's to Nano.
Wow. Call Neno.
Go call him.
I'll tell her right
Look.
The poor mail lady, she was like, I could have given you this outside. She's like, I wouldn't have to carry it all the way up here.
now. We saw her in the corner.
Oh, well, I didn't know. I thought that I had to, like, show her an ID or some shit.
Their name?
You can't just be giving packages away, walking up to anybody. Hey, you have a package for me?
There's no name. This one's to Briseis.
Is it?
Look,
Still right there?
Briseis.
You're right. It says to Briseis.
It's
Oh, my gosh.
Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty, what? Oh, my God.
Yeah, we're in 5. You want to come down and get them or you want us to take them now?
Wow.
That's beautiful. Undo the inside tie. She's looking through the box again.
This one's mine.
Read it. What does it say? To what?
Briseis again.
Let me see.
So when you come back or what?
Okay, let me see. Let me see. You're right. Wow. It does say to Briseis.
He said he was going to go out like in an hour.
Okay, well, then we'll go over there. We'll drop him.
Oh, it's a video.
No.
Yeah, let me see what.
Let me see what video it is.
No, it's a game. Oh, it's a Disneyland game I wanted.
What? Grandpa Javier, he sent you the Disney
Thank you,
game.
Grandpa. Yeah.
Are you gonna play that one? Finish opening your other presents and then you can play.
I think this is a toy. Oh, here's a little rip. Oh, it's Barbie. It's a Barbie dance.
Who's that? Let me see. Are you gonna show us who it is? What are you doing?
Let me see what you got, Chris.
She's pretty.
Wow. Who does she look like? Who does she look like?
Black. Mexican like me or something?
Black Mexican like you or something? She's pretty brown, huh?
Maybe.
Do you still have my resume on the word?
Hey, my mail came.
I don't know.
Look at the mail came.
The mail
Yeah,
came.
what did you get?